needs a little rest.
All right.
Where's that tea?
Nice.
They don't understand old age.
Yeah.
These girls are all under 30. How would they know?
Come on, Noah. Let's go.
Come on, Noah. Sit next to Ella.
Yeah, you sit here and Noah sit next to me.
Uh-uh.
It takes us about 20 minutes to make a loop.
Oh. Are you happy for the ride, Ella? Excited? What did you see today, Jana?
I don't know.
You don't know? Did you
He's
feed?
gonna drive.
Did you feed today horses? You want to go closer and see how he's driving? Move while. Come on, move before.
Let's go.
Already said go.
Go to Nora.
Come. No, but you hold him. Because. Hey, tractor! Ella,
Sweet.
let me see if I can make it.
Sweet.
Because she's stubborn.
Look,
I have to move.
We're at the street.
All right, look at the tractor.
We're at the street. We're next to the street.
Uh-huh. See, we didn't even have time to come this side.
It's only 100 feet here.
100 feet.
Oh my God, we're here. Almost here. Wow, look at our city and I can feel street.
If we can collect some strawberries, we're gonna just leave us here. We'll walk back. We can collect some strawberries.
No.
This is tangerines.
Remember, we've been here with Annie.
Yeah, remember we have been here for pumpkin patch.
Yeah.
Yeah, we came and we collected some tomatoes.